WBAP-FM at 93.3.
We interrupt programming at the request of the Little Elm Police Department. This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. Issued an Amber Alert for Art Highland Arnold, a black male, a 10-year-old, 5 feet tall, weighing 90 pounds with black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a white hoodie with dark joggers and dark shoes. There is no suspect information at this time. He was last seen Wednesday afternoon along University Drive in Little Elm. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been issued for Art Highland Arnold, a black male, 10 years old, 5 feet tall, weighing 90 pounds with black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a white hoodie with dark joggers and dark shoes. If anyone has any information, call the Little Elm Police Department. You know what you're talking about? This one is a message. You didn't know. Well, I just like the quote.